All right, the next group of reports we're going to look at are what they call task boards. And you can find these if you go to Report, go over here to Task Boards. And we're going to start out first of all with the task status. And I think this is kind of an interesting one. It shows the remaining tasks, shows and as far as the remaining tasks that need to get complete, I kind of like this graph here. It kind of shows as time marches on, we have fewer and fewer tasks, but it kind of shows you an idea of how quickly you're getting rid of and completing these tasks, through a course of time there. So that's kind of interesting. Then we have the resources and the remaining tasks that are, whatever the remaining tasks are, the resources that are assigned to them, they're right here. That's pretty cool. All right, so that looks good there. All right, now the next one we're going to go back to report, go to our task board here, and we're going to look at the work status this time. It shows remaining work, so the actual work, remaining work. It shows our resources, the actual work and how much they've got left. And it shows here the remaining task once again, and then the remaining task over time as far as cumulative and, or I should say cumulative work versus actual work. So, just some stats, stuff that you can kind of fly past your boss or customer and say, here's an update on the project. All right, we'll go back into report. And we're going to go down here to, I think, yeah, that's about it. These other ones don't work very well, so for the data that we've got here, so that's good. So, all right, so there it is. That's a pretty short one there, so appreciate you watching.